pretty out today. I love going on walks, especially because this video is the start of my lovely midterms. I know it feels like I just got here. The semester here is a bit condensed just because like we are abroad, so we're, I don't know, it's just shorter. The classes are kind of like really quick. But yeah, this is gonna be a busy week, and you'll see that in this vlog because you guys are coming with me, especially very much needed during these testing weeks is going on walk. I also love that there's so many benches here. I could just sit here and read, people watch, and talk to a camera for days, it feels like. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, hey, what's up? I'm Melanie. I'm currently studying abroad in London, but I am not from here. So I've been bringing you guys along with me. And for today, I already finished both of my classes. They were bright early in the morning. Started at 8 a.m. I was done before noon. I had a cute little yogurt bowl. It was quite yummy. So I am gonna let myself get some fresh air, walk around, and I'll see you guys back once I start the grinding. Guys, it's so pretty out today. I love it. Also, I don't know what it is about being here. I don't know if it's because I'm in London and I'm not at home, or I'm not on my college campus, or like I'm in a really big park. But I don't know, there's another level of like not really caring. So nice. I feel like people here, they don't care. Like, it's fine. And maybe it's the same at home. Maybe that's like a me changing my mentality. Also, I got my nails done yesterday. It was like a pre-midterm week treat, which I know I should treat myself afterwards, but you bet I'm gonna be doing that as well. Anyways.
The crowd across the way fell was on your face, and then from the
that's just wow. Hey friends, so I am back in my room. I just made myself a nice sandwich, a matcha, and I decided I'm gonna go study in the library here because I like never do that. And then I'm gonna save the cafe another day when I need to treat myself, because today we are also going to a bookshop. So I'm gonna be treating myself there as a reward. Guys, today's a beautiful day. We have the whole library to ourselves. Library tour. So I have 2 of my midterms that I can get started on right now because they're out of class. I have my religion and my humanities one that I want to get started on. I did in fact get a 40% on my first lay quiz. That's fun. I wish I owned this library. It's so nice. Why do I feel like I need to whisper in here? Like it's wrong to talk. Guys, I decided we're gonna take a quick study break because I want to show you my outfit. I feel like it kind of fit the scholarly vibes. Like we got the business button up, business pants, little tank top, necklace, and then shoes. Back to study. Hello friends, back in my room because it's the only other place I film in. Why does it look like I'm in a black hole right now? Like it literally looks like it's just my head. wonky lighting. But anyways, I got a decent amount of stuff done on my midterm paper. I still have a while to work on it, so I'm trying to just like, you know, get ahead on that. We love that mentality. And then to treat myself, I'm gonna go check out a bookshop, and I'm super excited to check this out. I'm gonna browse, and it's gonna be so much fun. And then tonight we have a group dinner. We're getting Italian food at like this really good Italian place, and I'm so excited to get pasta. So that's pretty much it for today. Hey friends, so we just got back from dinner. It was so good. I am turning into a pasta fiend here, but I want to show you a little haul from the bookshop that I went to today. Okay, warning you, 2 of the things are not books, but I did get 1 book, so that's all that matters. First off, new tote bag. Love her. Second off, second new tote bag. Very unnecessary, but love it. And third thing, this book, which I've been meaning to read forever, and now I finally have it, and I'm gonna read it sometime after midterms.
Say you're the person making money, and money rules the world. Your freedom is one thing, but to be is something else. I think it's kind of funny, the people who die to kill.
Hi guys, so I decided to take a little stroll through the park on the way back. It is, oh cute, what is this? Little path. It is a longer way, but I have a little bit of time to kill just because I only had 1 class this morning, which was an 8 a.m. You know, we made it through that. And then I only have a house meeting at 12:45. So I had 30 extra minutes to spare after grocery shopping somehow, because usually it takes me forever. Not today. I didn't get that much. I just got mushrooms and grapes, and I'm gonna cook at some point later today. I'm also actually, I know I say this in literally every freaking video, but I'm actually gonna go to a cafe today. Very excited for it. There's a cute one I've been eyeing down. I have like a little list on my phone. Also, we're putting the new bag into use. I love her. She's so cute. I'll see you guys when we get back. Hey friends. So I finished house meeting. It was good and dandy. I ate lunch, which I forgot to show, but that's okay. Some stir-fried noodles, which was yum. And then I'm putting on a jacket because it's kind of chilly outside. I can literally never tell the weather. I'm actually gonna go head to a cafe now and have a nice fun study time. Hopefully I'll get some like editing and stuff into fit. Not super cute. What shoes do you wear with this? I was wearing Air Forces earlier. How do you do this? Using my new bag, which I love. Guys, it even has pockets. I don't know why all tote bags don't have pockets in it. Like, that's actually a necessity. Also, don't ask me about that book yet. I'm not very far in it. So this is outfit. I'm just gonna wear Air Forces. This is easy day. Off we go. Here's the outfit, kind of. Tote bag really brings it together. It matches my shirt.
For the sun only shining over a mansion on the hill. VVS don't shine like a sunset. Stars don't fall like the snow.
Wow. Look at that.
Like a shooting star.
Guys, look at that.
When the chandelier shines in the evening.
Hey friends, I'm back from the cafe. I chilled there for about 2 hours, but they were about to close. So I decided it was best to come back, and I'm gonna like FaceTime a friend. But I also realized I never really show you guys like the study spaces here. So this is a classroom where they have actual classes, but once it's empty, people like study here, take calls here, do whatever. So this is one of my favorite study spots. So I'm just gonna finish up some editing, work more on my midterm, and then FaceTime a friend probably.
Look how cute the ceiling is.
The view.
Private jets don't fly.
I also unfortunately forgot my pen, which is the dumbest thing ever. So I couldn't even journal at the cafe, which is what I really wanted to do too, but I guess it was okay because I ended up actually working on my paper productive. So I'm gonna journal here.
Star. Honey, if you could feel the wind blow. When the chandelier.
Also made myself a fruit cup. I've been super fruit deprived here. It's really expensive. It's like £5. Some freaking blueberries. But I went all the way to Canterbury just for a little day trip, and they had papayas there that were so big and not too expensive. So I got one, trying to preserve it because it's just so tasty. So tasty. Hey friends, so it's editing Melanie here clearly. This video ended up being pretty dang long, so I actually decided to split it up into 2 separate videos, recording my midterms week and like the stuff that I did and whatnot. So don't worry, that other part of the video will be coming out very, very shortly. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and coming along with me to do my midterms, because you know, those aren't fun on your own. If you want to see other school, study abroad, or like, I don't know, anything else, just make sure to subscribe, stay tuned, and let me know what else you want to see. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.